we gotta take a rip on this thing before we steal its front axle. In the pouring rain, soggy ass.
No.
Will it start? It starts?
Yeah.
/ how to work in a messy workspace. There we go. This where we ride it out and then okay.
Having a lot of little sections.
Alright. Hold on. Rip. What we should do. So skateboard. Somewhere on the skateboard, chainsaw. Then we've got a couple pieces of steel. There's another one. Go like there, one on the other side, and then a wheel right there. Wheel. And we'll probably cut all that off. And then it will go very quickly and very terrifyingly. We may or may not die. Waxing station. I think this is gonna have to go under, right? I mean, I want it to go on top, but I don't really know. Oh, that'd probably work. I could just bolt through. I don't really care about this deck. So how long does that need to be? About this long. About 2 inches longer than what is resting on there. Ready? The amount of work it takes. Because we got to go all the way downstairs to plug in the welder. Alright. We have welder power. Like it's Miller time. It's welder time. It's a lot easier to move everything. Almost out of gas. This is almost 9 inches. We're going to be going in a straight line. Alright. We're just going to set this out there. Grooves. Crank it. Wire speed of 6. Ready? This will be
This break in the action is brought to you by Meadow, the garage kitty for any occasion.
Garage Cat Queen.
The Garage Cat Queen, indeed. Seemingly bewildered at the presence of me. And we're back with Bobby trying to find a bunch of bolts.
That are drill holes that are first off 3 to 5/32. We'll drill some of these holes. Fun fact of the day, this is also the drill bit we use to mount ski bindings. Alright, we're moving up to the size I drill holes in the tractor with. Now, we just gotta... The goal is to get this thing to ride around tonight, and I think that we have... You ready? Yeah. That's how I want to steer it all. We'll just take this sprocket off the back.
Yes.
It's keto. I don't know what to do with this thing. This is my new purchase. Very excited. Tropical Blast. This is mint. Look at this factory fender bent thing. Seat kind of broken. That's an option. You can only buy it like that. Spend millions. These special air suspension. Really good over rough terrain. Get some good grip in sand. White walls, that was an option. To pay extra for that. Kickstand, man. It's even broken. Actually, I think that's faulty. Man, it's gotta fall over when you put down the kick. This is the new Magna Tropical Blast that we're about to dissect entirely for the chain. But first, test drives. Death wheel. Yes. Yes. Dude. We gotta take this one off of here. So, alright, time to attack this saw. First order of business. Perfect!
Oh my god.
Look at the color of that stuff.
That's nasty.
See, it doesn't burn that well.
That's depressing. And we're still in the filming stage.
We went to the bins, bought a $4. You have no idea. Oh. I only went. Change a few things. Look at how perfect that lines up. And it like slides straight through this notch. Just look at it. Which means that adjustability is key, which means that clamp. Dude, it's on there. That grip tape? Dude, I can't move it. Alright, we need to tighten this chain. Not for civilian use. Do not try this in your garage like we did. We are trained we are trained amateurs.
Trained masters in the art of shenanigans.
It is what it is. Eventually we'll get it. Now that we've been warmed up, it's pouring rain! And it derailed again.
Yeah.
Alright, let's take a break.